Hello and welcome to Kingdom Specialist Car Group. We're very pleased to present for sale this 2000 year Mercedes-Benz SL500, the R129 series, finished in azurite blue metallic paint with a very nice contrasting cream Napa leather interior. Personally, I think that's one of the nicest combinations to be found on the R129s. This car has covered 70,000 miles from new and is supplied with a comprehensive service history file. I think there's around 11 service stamps in its service booklet and a separate file containing receipts from works carried out over the years, so a very well cared for car. Specification on this is very high. It has the very desirable panoramic glass hardtop, which gives a nice light airy feeling to the cabin. There is also the dark blue mohair soft top, which you can see on photographs on the website. Now, as I say, high spec on this car. Quite rare to have specified these orthopedic seats, which adjust the lumbar, the base, etc., and bolsters for firmness. That's for driver and passenger, along with heated seats and memory position ×3 for driver and passenger. You have the original audio 20, I think it is, Mercedes-Benz cassette radio for authenticity and originality, as well as a nice touch with the wood and leather steering wheel and gear shift. So the interior is in very, very lovely condition. Slight bit of wear on the bolster there, but nothing to be concerned about. Just a very nicely presented car. It's come out of long-term ownership. The chap had it since 2016, and as you can see, presents beautifully well. If you'd like more details of this car, or to indeed arrange a viewing, do please contact me. Details are on the website, which is www.kscg.co.uk.